Modular design, the future of engineering? Ever feel like building something from scratch is reinventing the wheel? Modular design might just be the solution you've been waiting for. Let's dive into why this approach is gaining serious traction in architecture and product design. Modular design is essentially building complex systems from smaller, independent units called modules. Think of it like Legos. Each brick is a module that can be combined in countless ways to create something bigger and more complex. These modules are designed with standardized interfaces, allowing them to be easily connected and interchanged. This creates flexibility and scalability that traditional design methods often lack. So, why is everyone suddenly talking about modular design? The benefits are numerous and compelling, especially for engineers. One of the biggest advantages is reduced development time. By using pre-designed and tested modules, engineers can avoid starting from zero each time, accelerating the design process significantly. Cost savings are another major draw. Standardized modules can be mass-produced, lowering manufacturing costs. Plus, easier assembly and maintenance further contribute to overall cost efficiency. Modular construction is revolutionizing the building industry. Imagine entire buildings assembled from prefabricated modules, drastically reducing construction time and waste. These modules can be customized to meet specific needs, offering design flexibility while maintaining the benefits of modularity. This approach is particularly useful for affordable housing and disaster relief efforts. From smartphones to automobiles, modular design is transforming product development. Think about a phone with replaceable components. A broken camera? Just swap it out. This approach allows for easier upgrades and repairs, extending the lifespan of products and reducing electronic waste. It also enables greater customization, catering to individual user preferences. While modular design offers many advantages, it's not without its challenges. Ensuring compatibility between modules from different manufacturers can be complex. Standardization is key to successful modular design, but achieving industry-wide agreement can be difficult. Careful planning and robust testing are crucial to avoid integration issues. Modular design is poised to play an even bigger role in the future of engineering. As technology advances, we can expect to see even more innovative applications of this approach. From space exploration to sustainable infrastructure, modularity offers a powerful framework for tackling complex engineering challenges. It's a trend that's here to stay. Ready to explore the possibilities of modular design? Don't get left behind. Start building smarter today.